Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for being here. So on today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a request from one of the comment section. I haven't seen this haircut before, but it's very similar if you are a regular at the channel to wolf cuts, butterfly cuts. This is the Hush haircut style from Korea, and I didn't really know what it was, so I went and had a look online. And there's basically on YouTube people doing it, obviously in salon, section by section. As you know, I love to have a little bit of an explore, have a little bit of a play. So I'm going to be putting this into a ponytail, a couple of ponytails, probably 3 or 4 to be honest, and creating the Hush hairstyle on this mannequin. So this is a bit of a last minute video because I just seen it. Obviously I'm wearing black t-shirt. The mannequin's hair is dark. You're going to kill me. But I'll be getting out of the way and I'll be showing you because I don't need to be in the way when it comes to cutting or anything like that. So really looking forward to this one. I haven't done a ponytail haircut in forever. So we're going to be maintaining all this length, but we're going to be sort of taking a lot of this shortness through here. So it's short through here and gets gradually longer through the back, but keeps the length. So you lose a lot of this density. So you're left with like stringy, I don't want to say stringy, but less density hair down here. And then what I'll do is I'll use this mannequin to cut a bob in, so I can show you guys how to do a bob. So yeah, I'm gonna get this mannequin prepped into ponytails. I'm just gonna, there's a real sort of cow's lick section through there because I've just literally taken this one out of a bag. So I'm just going to blow dry that forward so I don't have any sort of kinks, anything like that. So yeah, I'm going to get that all prepped, get it all sectioned so you can actually see how short we're going to go. I'm going to cut it just below there. And then what we got there, that plus that, which is there. So I've probably got about that much, which when it's here, will be sitting around about here. So perfect. But this is the Hush haircut, big in Korea. I wonder why it's called Hush. I'll look into it. Right. So I'm just going to pull forward just to sort of give it a little bit of angle. And then I'm just going to cut through that point there. Just so you can see. So I've got that band in there, so we're going to keep this hair. There we go. We're going to keep this. And again, to soften off, you can either point cut, because we do want this top quite soft. Or you can get thin scissors, keep it together. And don't go deep into it because you're going to really struggle. Just nip through the ends. And then you could point cut. You're just not going to take as much hair away. But there we go. First one done. Second one is this side. And like I said, I'm not taking much off. Let's just keep her quite square to me. Again, we're going to elevate and then that's it. We want to keep the length. And then again, there. Check for balance. Size just a little bit longer. There we go. Right, so when we pull all this out, what we should have is like a bit of a bowl sitting on top of length. Now you can see, just taking that little bit off, we've got this shortness here, you've got that length there. So in salon, you can see, there's a little bit of shape in there. In salon, what I would do is if I was doing this, I'd be bringing up, cutting like that. Next section. Again, towards the front, and then just letting it fall down like so. So we want that sort of individual texturized look. Let's bring her up. Just so you can see, like, that's the sort of thing. Is she straight? There, she's straight. Right, this is what we wanted. This sort of stringiness, and a great product for this actually would be Beach Shake by Joico. This has got beeswax in it. It's a bit oily, so what it would do is give us just a little bit more separation. Bring it around there. So you can see that separation all in there now. So that's what gives us that sort of stringy. It reminds me very much of the octopus haircut. Let's pull this. I know what we've got to do. And there we go. That is it. You've got shortness here, 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 and it goes back into that there. So it gives you that bit of a bowl on top. So I'm just going to style this out because it's been up in that pony. It's sitting really, really poker straight. Let me just show you what it looks like at the minute. That's what it looks like at the minute. So I'll do a little bit of, just a bit of blow drying just to make it look prettier. And then we'll jump straight back. So that is it, raw. But I hope it's helped you understand when cutting a shape like this, what we're actually looking for. To create shortness through here, we need to be forward elevating, over directing, and we need to be disconnecting this bottom to create the length. Now, I necessarily wouldn't do loads of these, but I actually think it's really cool. Technically, I think it's really cool, and I think the girls, briefly, that I've seen wearing them, wear them very, very good. But like I wanted you to see, I'll just show you the back. Just want to get this a little bit sort of styled so you can actually see what it looks like. But I might actually, with this one, I might record another video after this of not correcting it, but doing it properly. So where there's it's very hard lines, as you'd expect from a ponytail haircut. But I actually really like the simplicity of it, even though it looks technically, if you would see it on like a runway or on somebody, you'd think, oh, how are you get creating all that body and shortness up here, but it still looks connected. And it's just all to do with angles. If you look there, and it is similar to like the octopus. I was calling it the squid in the salon the other day. How you've got this sort of shortness up here, and then it's got these sort of tentacles as such, which is the length. But this product here, Joico Beach Shake, is perfect for it. It's got a little bit of hold, but it's got enough moisture in there as the beeswax and the oils to give it that separation. If you were to work your fingers even more, a bit like a wax, when in guys' hair you work a wax in, that sort of thing, create separation. You do the same with this. But there we go, guys. That is it. That is the Korean street style hush haircut, cut with 2 ponytails. At the beginning I said maybe 3, maybe 4. Once I'd worked out where hair had to sort of like travel to create this look, 2 sections, and we create this really cool look. So yeah, hope you like it, and if you do, let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to do the salon version, which is the section, or sort of correct this one, let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.